And this is cut. In this video, I will discuss Wells Fargo scam. Coming up. Hey, Tim. Quantum Financial, bringing you the best investments, helping you make most of your money grow and how to live your lifestyle with a focused approach. On this show, we do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Richard Branson said this: I love doing is creating things I can be proud of. And if you create things you can be proud of, the byproduct of that can be that you become a millionaire or you become a billionaire, because people like what you have created. The third largest U.S. bank with $2 trillion in assets will pay $575 million settlement after admitting that it scammed its own customers for 15 years. A federal investigation was pursuing of accusations of Wells Fargo's admitting that its employees opened more than 3.5 million sham unauthorized bank and credit card accounts in the year from 2002 to 2017. The bank then illegally charges clients for various financial services products they never signed up for, such as life insurance policies and protective insurance of millions of auto loans. This is a fraudulent scheme. In 2016 led to a resignation of Wells Fargo CEO, at the time JOHN STUMPF, after settling with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Wells Fargo still is facing ongoing investigations by the Securities and Exchange Commission, Department of Justice, Department of Labor. Wells Fargo has racked up more than $2 billion in fines since the fake account scandal in 2016. A California attorney stopped Wells Fargo from violating its consumer protection laws. In December, 28 statements were abused of its own clients, undermined consumers' confidence in the banking system. Instead of safeguarding its customers, Wells Fargo exploited them, signing them up for products from bank accounts to insurance they never wanted. This is an incredible breach of trust and threatened the customers and solely dependent on Wells Fargo with their trust. This is unlawful and disgraceful to Wells Fargo. When Wells Fargo is never going to be in the highlights, we shall never know. What are your thoughts and suggestions? What should happen to Wells Fargo? An ongoing investigation that looks like it will never end. Please leave a smash like button of your thoughts today on this video. And thank you very much for watching this awesome video. And I hope this content is enjoyable for you as it is for me. And if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, I will see you all later.